GoGoDino. Hi! Click here to subscribe.
Rex, Vicky, doesn't this look like peeing?
Wow, you're right.
This one looks like Vicky.
Wow, you're right.
La 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 la. Fine walk in the forest. The sun is out, the wind is blowing. La 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 la.
You two look exactly the same.
No way! My horn is sharper.
My eyes are rounder and bigger.
I'm more handsome.
I'm more handsome.
You two look exactly the same to me.
That's not true.
I guess you do look a little bit different.
Who are you? We've never met you before.
I'm Cerato.
I'm Sarah too.
We are twins. I'm older because I was born 5 minutes earlier.
Ceratu? So you're Ceratu? No, Cerato?
He's Ceratu.
No, I'm Cerato. Why does everyone say we look the same?
Right. I'm more handsome than he is.
No, I'm more handsome.
Oh, you're Cerato.
No, I'm Cerato.
I'm Sarah too.
Oh, I'm really sorry. I can't tell the difference.
Right, you guys look exactly the same.
We don't look the same.
We're sorry.
You guys are funny. Professor, we found new dinosaurs.
Oh, let's see. They are Ceratosaurus. D2, show me the dinosaur encyclopedia. Ceratosaurus means horned lizard. They have horns on their snouts.
I made yummy snacks. Hurry back, guys.
Really? Mio, you're the best! I already smell something good. Over here.
No, this is for our mom. Right, this is our mom's favorite fruit. Cerato, let's go home.
Okay, goodbye.
Tomo!
Let's go give this to mom.
Okay.
La 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 la. Fine walk in the forest. The sun is out, the wind is blowing.
Wow, you two look exactly the same.
That's not true. My horn is sharper.
My eyes are bigger and rounder.
You two look exactly the same to me.
How can they say we look the same?
We look so different.
Oh my, look. They look exactly the same.
You're right. They do look exactly the same.
Right, exactly the same.
Yeah, exactly the same. So
It's incredible how similar they look.
We don't look alike at all.
I can't stand this anymore. Let's play a game and the loser will wear a disguise. What do you say?
All right.
We'll spin 5 times with our horns together. The first one to grab that branch wins. Got it?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. I'm faster.
Woohoo! I grabbed it first. Look, I won, right? Come here. Okay, all done.
I don't look weird, do I?
Nah, you look great. There, let's go. Do we look the same?
Do you two look the same?
What are you talking about? Honey, they don't look alike, right? No, they don't look alike at all.
Not at all.
Yeah, not at all.
Yes! We don't look alike!
Huh? Yay! This fruit is mine.
No! This is ours!
You only have one horn each, right? I have 3. They're much longer than yours, much longer.
We're twins who look exactly the same! Do you have a brother who looks exactly the same? Do you have a brother who looks exactly the same? Aha!
No, I don't.
Stop right there!
Those are the twin brothers I saw earlier.
No!
Wow.
They should be back by now. Have you seen twin brothers who each have one horn on their snouts? One horn on each of their snouts?
Huh?
Cerato and Ceratu?
Hey! We got it! Help us!
I hear the twins!
They must be in trouble! GoGoDino to the rescue!
I'm Ping! Green Power Transformation! I'm Ping! A fast and agile pterosaur! Hi-hee! Vicky! Pink Power Transformation! I am Vicky! I'm a cheerful Brachiosaurus! Hey! Ha!
Tomo! Blue Power Transformation! I'm Tomo! I am a strong Triceratops! Huh!
I'm Rex! Red Power Transformation! I'm Rex! I'm the bravest Tyrannosaurus! Yeah!
Pokey! Orange Power Transformation! I'm Pokey! I'm an Apatosaurus! Hey!
Rex, do you know where they are?
No, I don't! Hello? Have you seen 2 dinosaurs that look the same?
Dinosaurs that look the same? Yeah, I did. They ran that way.
Okay, thanks.
Help us!
Huh?
Help
Rex! They're here, this way!
Okay!
Tomo, now!
Okay, leave it to me! Tomo, power drill! Oh no! It's gonna tip over on us!
Oh, I'll push it!
Good job, Pokey! Okay, it's my turn now!
Help! Help us!
Rex Power Hooks, go!
Ceratu, hold on to the log!
Yay, we're safe!
We're safe!
Thank you so much for saving my twins.
Thank you!
You're welcome! You 2 are brothers! You shouldn't fight!
Okay, we're twin brothers after all! We won't fight anymore!
I'm sorry. You 2 were in danger because I threw the fruit.
No, it's all right!
Huh?
Here you go. We're sorry we got greedy. Yeah, we want to share it with you!
Really? Would that be okay? But this is for your mother.
It's all right. We can all share.
Woohoo! Thank you.
Me too. Let's all eat it together.
Hey! 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 Hey!
Whoa! Thank you!
Wow, thank you.
It tastes better together.
Yeah!
Hello, everybody!
It's now time for the dinosaur song.
We are cute and lovely twins, but we think we don't look the same. We have the same horn on our nose. We are cute and lovely twins. No, 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 we're not the same. I am the best. No, I am better. Look closely, then you can see. We are Ceratosaurus. Hands on your horns and turn around. Let's compare to see who's the best. My eyes are big and bright and very round. My horn is sharp and more handsome than you. We are cute and lovely twins, but we think we don't look the same. We have the same horn on our nose. We are cute Ceratosaurus.
La 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 la. These cookies came out nicely.
What's that smell? Mio, what did you bake today? Whoa!
There were so many fruits on the tree, so I made fruit cookies.
They smell so good!
Guys, come eat these cookies.
Wow, these look so good!
Everything that Mio makes is so good.
What? You finished them already? I didn't get one.
I used up all the fruits. What should I do? If you get me more fruit, I'll make more cookies.
I'll go. Vicky, do you want to come with me?
Okay, I saw trees filled with fruit.
Pink, may I have a bite?
Oh, no way. No way.
Please?
Huh?
Oh?
Huh? What? What was that? Let's go take a look.
I hope it's a new dinosaur.
Give me back my fruit. Oh!
Huh? Huh? Vicky, can you help this dinosaur? I'll go after them.
What's going on?
I was about to eat my fruit and they snatched it from me. Then they started throwing it around to tease me.
Oh, they are too naughty. You can have this.
Oh, thank you so much. They always go around in a pack. So I can't really stop them.
Professor, do you see those dinosaurs running in front of me?
Oh, look! Those are Dromaeosauruss. D2, show me the dinosaur encyclopedia. They may be small like young dinosaurs, but they are very agile. They are fast, so it won't be easy to catch up to them. They are known to travel in packs.
They are very fast. I lost them.
Whoa, they
they can jump quite high, too.
Rex can't handle them alone. Let's go help him.
Okay.
Huh? So what about those dinosaurs?
They are Dromaeosauruss. I lost them since they're so fast. They can also jump really high. They just ran away from me.
We came to help too. And eat yummy fruit.
Those Dromaeosauruss seem very mischievous.
They are small, but swift.
Tomo, I thought you came here to help us. How can you eat all these fruits? Helping out was just an excuse.
What? I only ate one.
Don't lie to us. Be honest. There are so many more fruits up there anyway.
I didn't. It wasn't me. Look, there's a claw.
That laughter. It's them. Hey! I can't catch up with them by myself. Let's all go together. Ping, fly up and see which direction they're going. Okay. Guys, stop! We just want to be your friends.
We'll catch them and sort out this misunderstanding.
Guys, there's 4 of them in total.
4 of them?
Tell us which direction they're going. Okay. Okay, I'll just keep going after them like this. There's a cliff ahead of them, so they can't run much further. Okay, Ping.
Huh?
One left the group.
I will take them from the center. Tomo, you go right.
Okay.
Vicky, take the left side so they can't run off to the sides.
Okay.
Not here.
Huh? Didn't that feel refreshing?
Here, catch!
Huh? Oh! Ugh. That can't stop me.
Hey!
Hey! Ha!
Oh! Fruit tastes better when you eat it like that.
Huh?
Oh, stop! Be careful! No! No! I got you! That was close! Hey guys, we're the GoGoDinos!
Hello, we're Droma. There are so many fruits in the forest. Why did you steal them from another dinosaur?
You shouldn't steal others' things.
Is it because you can't reach those fruits?
We were just having fun.
We were too bored.
We didn't do it on purpose.
Please don't yell at us.
Don't worry. We're not here to yell at you.
But you shouldn't tease others just because you're bored.
You were bored? Let's find a way to have fun. I, the great inventor, will make you a fun playground.
A playground?
Yeah, you can all help me, right?
Of course! I will take some fruits to Mio and bring Pokey and Loki with me. Okay. How about here, Tomo?
Great, it looks fantastic.
Then, let's get to work. GoGoDino! I'm Ping! Green Power Transformation! I'm Ping! A fast and agile pterosaur! Hi! Hey!
transformation! I am Vicky! I am a cheerful Brachiosaurus! Hey! Ha!
Tomo, blue power transformation! I'm Tomo! I am a strong Triceratops! Huh!
I'm Rex! Red power transformation! I'm Rex! I'm the bravest Tyrannosaurus! Yeah!
Pokey! Orange power transformation! I'm Pokey! I'm an Apatosaurus! Peace!
Thank you for making us a playground!
From now on, enjoy this playground and don't tease other dinosaurs, okay? And remember to be safe.
Okay!
Hello, everybody!
It's now time for the dinosaur song.
We are playful, la 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 la. We have lots of friends, la 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 la. Running and playing are our favorite things. Hide and seek, they can't find me. We are naughty and silly dinos, running here and running there. Run so fast that you can't catch us. Cute and lovely, but we're also so naughty. Run, run, run up, run, run, run down. We are running all over the place. Running to here, running to there. Laughing and so happy to play together. We are playful, la 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 la. We have lots of friends, la 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 la. Running and playing are our favorite things. Hide and seek, they can't find me. Exploring the sea is always fun. So many friends come out to play with us. Swimming in the ocean is always fun. So that's why we like the ocean. Big adventures in mysterious caves. Cute little snails come out and play with us. Lots of little fish come out and play with us. If we met a mermaid, that'd be wonderful.
Exploring the ocean is always fun. What dinosaur will we meet today? I'm so excited.
Who are you?
We're the GoGoDinos. They're Vicky, Rex, and Ping. I'm Tomo.
Go dinosaurs? I'm a dinosaur too.
Wow! I should report this to the professor.
Oh, Tomo, what kind of dinosaur did you find?
An underwater dinosaur. Look!
Oh, it's Liopleurodon. It's a wonderful dinosaur. D2, show me the dinosaur encyclopedia. The Liopleurodon is the apex predator of the Jurassic period. Its name means smooth-sided teeth. It has 4 fins that look like oars, so it can swim very fast. Good job, D2. GoGoDinos, enjoy your underwater expedition.
Thank you, Professor.
Are you all from the land? Then follow me. I'll show you the underwater treasure.
Wow! That's amazing!
I know, right?
Did you know we have something similar on land called fireflies?
Fireflies? Look, those are anemones. It really tickles when you swim across them.
I like being tickled.
Can you do that on land too?
Yeah, with ferns.
Oh. Follow me.
Hello. Hello. Hi.
Hi, guys. Leo, these are unique animals.
They're seahorses. I told you before, the ocean is full of wonderful treasures. Do you have something similar on land?
They aren't the same, but butterflies would be similar. Butterflies are beautiful and colorful. They can fly quickly, too.
Oh, I want to see them too.
Leo, would you like to look at the treasures on land?
Really? I'd love that.
But can you get out of the water?
I can for a little while. I just need to come back before my skin dries up. If not, I can't control my body temperature.
I don't want you to get hurt.
Yeah.
I'll be fine if I can come back soon.
Okay, I'm going to show Leo the wonderful treasures on land.
Oh. Those are fireflies?
Yeah, those are fireflies.
Oh.
That tickles, right?
Tomo, you were right. There's so much treasure on land too. Oh. Tomo, are you hungry?
Yeah, from walking around too much.
What do you normally eat?
I'd ask Mio to cook for me, but that'll take too long. Oh, right! Be careful, everyone! Leo, stand back!
Oh.
Oh! Thank goodness I'm a dinosaur robot. This hurts a lot. This is a coconut. Try it out.
Oh. Wow, it's so good.
It's good, right?
I've never had anything like it. I want some more.
Before you do that, try the white part first.
It's so delicious. It's so savory. Give me more. Ah!
Leo, are you all right? Your skin looks dry.
Let's go back to the ocean. We'll take you back.
No, I want to stay here a little longer. I want some more coconuts.
The sun is getting hotter.
I can take it. Just a little longer, okay?
Oh no! We must go back.
Wait. Let me have some more coconuts.
All right, just one more, okay?
Thanks.
Huh? My water tank is empty.
Really? This isn't good, Leo. Let's go back.
I think we can make it back to the ocean.
Yes, let's go back.
Okay.
I'll block the sun for you. I filled up my water tank, guys.
Thanks, GoGoDinosaurs. That was a great land expedition.
Goodbye, Leo. See you next time.
Yep. See you again.
Bye.
Oh, that feels good. I wanted one more coconut. Maybe I should go get one. It won't take very long. Ah, I found a coconut tree. Oh. Oh. Ah! No! No! Who can help me? Tomo, help me!
Today's adventure was the best!
Right! We were very lucky to meet Rio.
Yeah!
Help me!
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
Someone help!
I think it's Leo!
But Leo went back to the ocean already.
I don't think so.
Let's go and see!
Okay, GoGoDino to the rescue!
I'm Ping! Repowered transformation! I'm Ping! A fast and agile pterosaur! Hi-hee! Vicky! Pink power transformation! I am Vicky! I am a cheerful Brachiosaurus! Hey! Ha!
Tomo! Blue power transformation! I'm Tomo! I am a strong Triceratops! Huh!
I'm Rex! Red power transformation! I'm Rex! I'm the bravest Tyrannosaurus! Yeah!
Help me!
Huh? Over there! Leo, are you all right?
We thought you went back to the ocean!
You see, I wanted to eat more coconuts. I'm sorry.
Leo must have been out of the water for too long.
Let's hurry! We're running out of time!
Hey, oh!
We'll lead the way.
Okay, let's go back to the ocean.
I can't move. I have no energy left.
Vicky, your water gun!
Go, water gun!
Oh. Oh.
Don't worry, Leo. We'll get to the ocean soon. Are you all right?
Thanks, Tomo. And Rex, Vicky, and Ping. Where's Ping?
Here!
Whoa! A coconut!
You like it that much?
Yes!
Hello, everybody! It's now time for the dinosaur song!
My skin is so soft and smooth, smooth and flowing like the seaweed, and my teeth are sparkling. But be careful because I eat meat. I'm the best hunter in the deep sea. My forearms are like paddles you see. That helps to swim so fast. I am a Liopleurodon. Come on, let's go swimming. Swimming so fast all around the sea. Hurry, hurry, can you see it? Let's go hunting treasures in the ocean. My skin is so soft and smooth, smooth and flowing like the seaweed, always looking out for treasures. I am the smoothest king of the sea.
I'm first!
Stop pushing, Storm!
Why don't you stop fighting and have a race to that fruit tree?
Okay.
Storm, wait! We all have to start at the same time. Come over here. Max, tell us when to go.
Let's go!
Woohoo! Storm, you're too slow!
Ah! Ow! Ow! My foot hurts!
Storm, you hurt your foot?
Are you all right?
I fooled you!
Storm, that's cheating!
Oh!
You deserve that!
You're punished for cheating.
Huh?
I won! Wow, these fruits look so good.
I'm so hungry from all that running!
Let me try one. Ah! It's really sweet and good.
Let's take some of these to Mio.
Okay.
Hey! Ha. Oh, wow, dinosaurs!
Woohoo!
Yeah, I lost.
I'm so tired.
Hi, guys.
We're the GoGoDinosaurs. These are Anki and Storm. I'm Harry.
Hi. This is Ino and Spike. I'm Noden.
We're the Iguanodons.
Wow, iguanodons! Let's report them to the professor. Professor, we met dinosaur friends in the forest.
Oh, I see. Let me see them. You met the Iguanodons. D2, show me the dinosaur encyclopedia. They are called the Iguanodon because the first fossil of their tooth that was discovered was similar to the tooth of an iguana. The Iguanodon can walk on 2 feet or all 4 feet. And also, take a good look at their front feet. They have sharp big toes, and their little toes can move freely.
Oh, thank you.
Have a great time with your new friends. Bye.
Perry, we'll be right there, too. We want to meet the new dinosaur friends.
Okay.
Thanks, Perry.
Why did you guys run over here?
We were racing. This was the finish line.
Spike always wins. I'm always last.
What are you talking about? I won at times too.
When?
I don't remember you winning. Do you, Spike?
No, I don't.
I did win a few times, I'm serious. Instead of arguing, why don't you guys race again?
That sounds good.
Fine with me.
Fine. Why don't I choose where we run this time? Okay?
Oh, gee. He's gonna choose a difficult route again.
Where?
Follow me.
Ugh.
Guys, where are you going?
Huh? You got here so quickly. We're following them to have a race. Come with us.
Okay.
It's over there. We'll start at the beach, then we'll go past the vines and cross the bridge over the cliff. What do you say?
Okay.
Go across the cliff? Do we have to?
First, you must run on all 4 legs on the beach. Then, we have to get past a bunch of vines. So, we need to run on 2 legs. Lastly, we safely cross the bridge over the cliff and you're done.
Ino, no cheating this time, okay?
Right. You start running on 2 feet when you want to win.
I've never done that.
We'll be the judges. What do you say?
That sounds great.
Me too. I'll be in charge of looking after anyone that gets hurt.
Okay, you can all come and watch. See you on the beach tomorrow. Hi.
Hi.
Are you ready? Yeah. To the other side of the cliff, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Ping and I will be the judges. No cheating, okay?
Okay, get ready.
Storm! Green power transformation!
I'm Storm. I'm a stegosaurus that can carry heavy objects.
I'm Ping! Green power transformation! I'm Ping!
Okay, here comes Spike.
I'm probably gonna lose again.
Just you wait and see.
Get set, go!
Run! Go!
Go faster! Eno!
Eno! Wasn't that a foul?
Eno, you got a warning.
I know.
Hi, Eno! No cheating, okay?
Eno's in the lead so far. He's at the front.
Eno is acting a little bit strange.
Now, if I do this.
Snowden, what's wrong?
Huh? Nah, I'm gonna go.
Get up. Are you alright, Noden? I can't believe Eno cheated.
Spike! We'll look after Nodon. Go and finish the race.
Okay, thanks. Eno, you cheater!
Huh? You got here quickly. Ah! Oh.
Eno, be careful!
Be careful!
Oh no! The rope is gonna
Watch
break!
out! The rope's gonna break! Angie, Rex, hurry!
Okay! I'm Rex! Red Power Transformation! I'm Rex! I'm the bravest Tyrannosaurus! Yeah!
Inky! Red Power Transformation! I'm Inky! Captain of Ankleo Team! I'm an Ankylosaurus that fights fires!
Go Power Hooks!
Hang on tight! Eno!
I can't hold on any longer!
Ping! Storm! Go help Eno and Spike!
Okay!
Thanks, Storm!
Storm! Green power! Eee!
Thanks, guys. I'm sorry, Nodon.
You're sorry? Why? Oh, did you tie up the vines on purpose?
I'm sorry. Are you hurt?
No, I'm okay. But don't ever do that again.
Eno, let's race to that tree this time. See who gets there first. But no cheating, okay?
Huh? What? Wait!
I want to join.
Hey, wait up!
Hello, everybody.
It's now time for the dinosaur song.
My favorite food are yummy fruits. I can eat them all day long. My teeth are sharp for chewing, and I look like a really big lizard. I like to hide in the grass. We are not very tall. I have a sharp toenail. I can use it for many cool things. Iguanodon likes to running all around and up and down. Iguanodon likes to running all around here and there. And my favorite foods are yummy fruits. I could eat them all day long. My teeth are sharp for chewing, and I look like a really big lizard.
Go, go,
GoGoDino. Hi! Click here to subscribe.